Carpet cleaning with the Bissell Commercial BG EM9000 Easy Motion Floor Machine. There are two ways that you can clean your carpet with the Easy Motion Floor Machine. The first is bonnet cleaning, and the second is dry shampoo powder. To clean your carpet, you'll need the following items: a vacuum cleaner, Easy Motion Floor Machine, a bottle of Bissell Commercial's Heavy Traffic Pre-Cleaner, dry shampoo powder, pad driver, carpet bonnet, and black carpet brush. Start by vacuuming the carpet to pick up any loose dirt. After vacuuming, spray the Bissell Commercial Heavy Traffic Pre-Cleaner on the area of the carpet that you're cleaning and also on the carpet bonnet. Attach the carpet bonnet to the pad drive and place the pad drive with bonnet on the carpet with the pad drive facing up. Now lift the Easy Motion Floor Machine and attach it to the pad drive. Turn the Easy Motion Floor Machine on and move from side to side and back and forth over the area treated with the pre-cleaner spray. Once completed, remove the pad drive and the carpet bonnet. You may need to repeat this process for dirtier carpet. To show you the effects of the dry shampoo powder and how the powder encapsulates the dirt from the carpet, we've marked up the cover of the dry shampoo with a marker, and then we'll rub the shampoo powder on the mark, and you can see how the mark is gone and the powder has encapsulated the ink from the marker. To clean the carpet with the dry shampoo, the first thing you do is spray the Bissell Commercial Heavy Traffic Pre-Cleaner on the area of the carpet that you're cleaning, and then you sprinkle the dry shampoo powder over the area that you just sprayed. Place the black carpet brush on the carpet, lift the Easy Motion Floor Machine, and attach it to the black carpet brush. Turn the Easy Motion Machine on and move from side to side and back and forth over the area treated. Now don't go over the area with the dry shampoo powder more than 2 or 3 times. Let the powder sit on the carpet for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes, vacuum up the dry shampoo powder with the encapsulated dirt. Now you may need to repeat this process for dirtier carpet.